Hello everyone. So today is 29th of June and let's discuss what happened during the June expiry and what we are expecting next and what why did we see this huge rally in the market and why 19,000 suddenly came. So all these questions we are going to answer. So, speaking about on Monday, we analyzed correctly that the FIIs and the prop decks they were having huge uh, bearish positions. So that is call writing and put buying positions. Okay. So these put buying positions in Nifty they were at 18,600, 18,700, and some were also at 18,800. Okay. Now, they also did call writing as well, okay, and some even did call writing at 18,600 also, okay. So 18,650, 18,600 call writing were done by these prop decks and the FIIs, okay, even in the money. So they were heavily bearish, okay, and suddenly on Tuesday, what happened was this news came that expiry is going to get shifted, and then some big guy came and started taking long positions, okay, and yes, then from that point onwards, the data point suddenly changed, okay, and though the big guys they tried their best to take the market down, okay, but they failed, okay, they finally failed. Even here also, like in one of the tweets, i I told you that get ready to see some selling. Yes, the selling also started just from the top, okay, but then suddenly the selling stopped and we again the market reversed, okay. So it's not like my system detects these sellings just abruptly or arbitrarily. So you saw that selling started, but Bank Nifty moved by 80 points and Nifty by 25 points, and then the big guys or guy, whoever it is, they were long, so they went. They took over the market, okay, and the bears fell, and then what happened was this, that is the call side short covering were being done, okay. So then the FIIs and the prop decks they knew that they are going to have a huge loss with their call writing positions, and they started doing these call short covering, okay. So call writing positions, okay, fine. They will do call short covering with accepting some loss in their positions. But with the put buying, so put buying were at a heavy loss, okay. So now if they close their put buying positions and initiate put writing positions and market doesn't move, like market moves both the sides, and so then there is no point in closing the call writing positions, right? So then they are expecting that market will move by some 100 to 150 points at least. So then what happens is that I even discussed the concept, same concept in this video also, my analysis the previous day before monthly expiry. That is, I clearly said that to recover the loss, they are going very aggressively on the other side. So this was nothing but a revenge trading, okay. We can't do, but they have the power to do. They have the power to like buy in huge amount and drive the market, okay. So that's why they did a revenge trading. So they closed their call writing positions at a huge loss, and now as we analyze, the put buying positions were at 18,600, 700, some were also at 800. Now uh, they did not close those put buying positions, okay. So they, what they did was they aggressively went on the other side. So that means from bearish positions they aggressively went to the long positions. So they were aggressively long, okay, not just anyhow, like 80 points or maybe 100 points. So they were very aggressively they were writing puts. So now what they did was, like for those put buying positions which were at 18,600, they took them, they utilized those as hedging positions, and they started doing put trading at 18,700, then 800, then above 18,800, like 18,900, and also finally 19,000. Okay, so what they did was they used those put buying positions as hedging positions. Okay, so they have a lot of capital and they can do that. Okay, so they have a lot of plans, plan A, B, C, D, E, F, but we as a retail traders, yes, we have very few options. Okay, so they did this, and finally, like they took a revenge trade, and that's why we saw the huge rally, and we also saw like 19,000. Okay, otherwise it wouldn't have been possible to see 19,000 so early, just because they had a loss and they wanted to recover their loss, so they took the market up by almost they took the market up to 19,000. Okay, so that was the overall view, and even the same concept I discussed in this video also. That is, I clearly said that they will be using their put buying as hedging positions. Okay, now, and they will be going up and doing put writing. So, and yes, as expected, that happened. Now, yes, and also in the morning also I clearly said that as seen in the EOD, huge long positions in futures as well as options, and the same is being reflected now. So the market went up and up. Okay, so there was no stopping. And talking about the indicators, so the indicators suddenly jumped when in the morning long positions were getting built up, and similarly for Bank Nifty as well. So this score basically jumped up. Now talking about this futures, buying. So yes, the FIIs have bought for 12,350 crores and DIs have sold for 1,000 crores. But there is another one thing you should notice, that though market rallied, so there was such a rally, but you see the overall market did not participate. Overall market, like, advances declined and declines increased. Okay, so that's the irony. So you can't do anything about it, but that's the truth. So that, what does that mean? That again ensures. So the first thing, try to understand that this thing, that is, they had a huge loss. This is very, very true. Okay, and they took a revenge trading. You could see basically. Okay, they did, like, they took the market to 19,000. So, and how they took it with the help of some specific stocks. Okay, and as you can see, some of the, like, the major stocks which helped Nifty to go up. So they took some specific stocks with the help of which they took the market up. Okay, overall market participant, like, they did not participate in the overall market. So they were not concerned about the overall market, and they were just concerned about their revenge trading. That's it. Okay, so, and that is also basically getting reflected here. So coming to the end of the day data here, that is now if you see that like the data is inconclusive, but overall if you see that call writing positions are like almost nil by the prop decks and the FIIs, and put writing positions are there, but again these data doesn't doesn't have any you can't say a very strongly, you can't conclude anything. Okay, so let data build up a little more and then we'll see. And also talking about this futures long positions. So many futures long positions profit booking has been done. So what do I mean by that is they did not roll it over. Okay, and also these future short positions were closed, and but there is another thing that to note is this prop decks. Yes, they closed their positions, short positions, future short positions at a loss, but they did not increase their futures long positions. Finally, like the whatever futures long positions they were having, almost they are having the same positions as of now, but they did not increase that. So again, overall, again the data is bullish, but we should wait for further data to make some strong conclusion. Talking about coming to the volume, if you see, then at the very end you could very well see that some huge buying were being done in Nifty, and so we could again see some move above 19,000, or some further up move is expected, because just at the very end some huge buying was being done. And let's go and look at Bank Nifty as well. So let's go to the 5 minutes chart. So yes, talking about the 5 minutes chart here, again in Bank Nifty also, as you can see that, just a second, yes, in Bank Nifty also you can, as you can see, like huge buying was being done, and at the very end. So again we could see a little up move, but till where this up move is going, till when is this up move is going to last? So that's a very good question. That's the question, the answer which I would be waiting for. Now talking about on 1 day chart, if you see on 1 day chart, then you would like looking at the RSI here. So we can't conclude here, but in Nifty, if we look at the RSI in 1 day chart, let's go to the 1 day chart. So sorry, so here if you look at the RSI chart on 1 day, so you would see that like it's giving bearish signals, because RSI, though market went up, but you see that RSI is not, like RSI is decreasing. Okay, so RSI is not showing strength, and as it goes further up, we'll have a divergence, huge divergence between the RSI and the index, and so we'll see what happens then. But for now, again, as expected, some further fall, because further rise, because what happens is that many starts taking short positions, seeing 19,000 has come, and they think that how further market can go. Okay, so और कितना ऊपर जाएगा, so now let's short the market. So for those people also, to drag them out, market will give some up move, and then finally if it it should correct. Okay, so there has to be correction. Without correction, things can't just moves. This is stock market. Okay, here none of the securities like they straight go up straight or go down straight. Okay, so that's why, like, since this went up straight, and this was basically like a revenge trade, and the overall market is not participating, so chances are there this up move won't sustain for long. But yes, again, let's not speculate anything, so we'll see accordingly. So what again we are expecting now is a little bit of uprise, and then as everyone loses hope of shorting the market, then market will come down. Okay, so for now that's all my analysis. So yes, I hope you enjoyed it. So if you liked my analysis, please don't forget to put a like. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.